A single prokaryotic cell can divide several times in an hour. Few eukaryotic cells can divide as quickly. Which of the following statements best explains the difference? Okay, so I'm going to highlight a couple of things. I'm using our web ink tool. So remember, for the highlighter, have it on the pen. Choose whatever color you want. I'm doing yellow, and then for a highlighter, you need to put the transparency down about halfway. Okay, so this question is asking for the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay, so I added in this image over here for you that you did not have on your test. Okay, and for this image, I really just wanted to show you a couple of pictures that should help us. So this image right here is a prokaryotic cell. And then these two images that you see right here are eukaryotic cells. Okay, so this top one right here, this is an animal cell. We can tell because the shape is a circular shape and it has a nucleus right there in the middle. And then this is a plant cell. It has more of a square or rectangle shape because of that cell wall. And again, the nucleus is right here in the middle. Okay, so what I want to do really quickly, I'm going to kind of like split this down the middle. Okay, and let's brainstorm a couple of things that we know about prokaryotes and things that we know about eukaryotes. Okay, so we know that prokaryotes have no nucleus. Okay, remember, pro means no. They're going to be very simple cells because remember, they do not have those membrane-bound organelles. Okay, so no membrane-bound organelles. They're not going to have like a mitochondria and a chloroplast. Remember, that's why they're simple. Okay, they're very basic. They don't have a lot to them. Okay, remember that even though they don't have a nucleus, they do still have DNA. They do still have genetic material. Okay, and then when we look at eukaryotes, we know U means do, so they do have a nucleus. There's a nucleus present. Okay, and then this type of cell, eukaryotes, will have organelles present. Okay, remember that organelles, specifically membrane-bound organelles, are going to be things that have that extra membrane around them, that extra layer of protection. So organelles like a nucleus, a chloroplast, a mitochondria. Okay, a eukaryote will have those. Okay, so we're going to we know that these cells are going to be complex. They're complicated. If they have a lot of parts to them, that makes them complex. Okay, compared to prokaryotes, those are going to be simple. Okay, eukaryotes are going to be bigger cells because of that same reason. They have to have room to fit all of those organelles into. Okay, and then remember that that DNA is inside of the nucleus. Okay, so main difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, we know that prokaryotes do not have a nucleus, eukaryotes do have a nucleus. Okay, and then we brainstorm some other differences between them. Go ahead and use this information to help you answer this question.